Hello, my friends. It's Loretta Roger. Thanks for joining me. I've got a share and a quick tutorial for you using my POLKADOODLES goodies. First off, this is going to be a gift or a stocking stuffer. It'd be great for craft fairs, ladies. If I were selling these at craft fairs, I'd charge $15 to $20 a piece, and you'll see why. This is actually a Sizzix box that is made for a gift card, and I just modified it, and here's my gift. This is simply some little glass stones that I put into a necklace and earring bezels, just like this one. I'll try to remember to link my 2-Minute Tuesday video. To make this gift card, it's very simple. I printed out my image from POLKADOODLES. I will leave the link to the digital image down below. Obviously, as many great files that Nikki has on her site, you can theme this for whatever you'd like, birthday or Christmas, anniversary, thank you. And I printed this off onto regular printer paper. If your printer will take cardstock, I do recommend that. Once it's printed, it's going to look like this. Well, this one, okay. It's going to look like this. This is copy paper, and I've been messing around with it so it is kind of wrinkled. I cut this piece, which looks like a postage stamp, out of a medium weight Desert Storm type color, crumb cake color cardstock. You're just going to add your glue. Then take your image and line it up. You would smooth this out and let it dry for a little bit. Then I cut another one of these postage images, and I cut it right above the fold line to create a folded card. And once you have the card folded, you're going to glue this piece onto the top to make your note card or your gift card. Next, you're going to take some twine, wrap it around your box, tie it in a knot, then attach your adorable card to your box just like this. Subscribe to my videos, share them on your social media. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.